Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Kerley. I practice in Alexander City, Alabama. I have been a Right Start chiropractor from the beginning.
My name is Sarah Kerley, and I am an assistant for Dr. Andrew Kerley, my husband.
We opened up in November of 2018, and needless to say, we opened up from scratch.
From the beginning, we leaned into the AMC systems. I did not feel qualified to help my husband in the office, let alone run a business.
We were a little bit nervous, no prior, chiropractic business experience before then. We started off pretty slow. We were private pay practice, and we have slowly built up, a good patient base.
We recently bought our dream home on some land, and that was a goal we had from the beginning, and we had to sacrifice time with our family. Luckily, we have a really good support system to help with our children.
Well, really every year has been our best year, but during the entire pandemic deal, we didn't panic. We just kind of stuck to what we were supposed to do, and we had our best year, and again, we're having our best year this year.
We had our best month this year in June through the pandemic and scared patients, but we've just believed in chiropractic. We've never faltered from that, and we know that our patients need what Dr. Kerley has to offer.
If you are considering coming to AMC, I highly advise that you do so.
Can't imagine where we'd be without AMC and AMC family.